Hello and welcome. I'm glad you've decided to join us today for this daily meditation. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned practitioner, this session is designed for everyone. If you've never meditated before, don't worry. I'll guide you through each step. It's important to remember that there's no right or wrong way to meditate. The most important thing is to focus on the present moment and to be kind to yourself. Now, let's get started. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, where you can be relaxed. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable. Begin by noticing your breath. Don't try to change it, just observe it. Is it shallow or deep? Fast or slow? Just be aware of it. Notice the sensation of your breath entering and exiting your body. Now, let's start to control our breaths. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment, then release it gently through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply, hold it, and then exhale slowly. Try to make each exhale a bit longer than your inhale. This is a simple technique to help calm your mind and body. Let's continue to breathe in this pattern for a few moments. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Feel your body relaxing with each breath you release. Now, shift your attention to your body. Starting from your toes, gently scan your body all the way up to the top of your head. Notice any tension, discomfort, or stress that you may be holding. As you exhale, imagine releasing that tension, letting it go with each breath. Let's move to our thoughts. It's natural for the mind to wander. That's what minds do. If you find your mind straying to the past or the future, gently guide it back to the present moment. Don't judge or criticize yourself. This is a practice of patience and kindness. Imagine your thoughts as clouds passing by in the sky. You can observe them, but you don't need to hold on to them. Let them come and let them go. With each passing cloud, you sink deeper into a state of relaxation and peace. Now, let's take a moment to focus on gratitude. Think about one thing you are grateful for. It could be as simple as the feeling of the sun on your skin, or as profound as the love you have for a person in your life. Feel that gratitude fill your heart and soul. Let's sit with this feeling for a few moments and breathe. Inhale gratitude, exhale tension. Inhale love, exhale worry. The world outside is full of noise, chaos, and uncertainty. But here, in this moment, you have peace. You have silence. You have stillness. Embrace it. Breathe it in. Remember, meditation isn't about emptying your mind, but about becoming aware. Aware of your breath, your body, your thoughts, your feelings. As we begin to bring this session to a close, remember that this state of peace and calm is always within you. It's like a quiet lake, undisturbed by the winds of the world. You can access it whenever you need, simply by taking a few moments to breathe and be present. Now, start to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice the surface beneath you. Feel its support. Listen to the sounds around you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, awakening your body. Keep your eyes closed, but start to visualize the space around you. Picture the walls, the ceiling, the floor. Notice any smells, any tastes in your mouth. Be aware of the clothes on your skin, the air around you. Take a moment to acknowledge the work you've done in this session. Remember, every moment you spend in meditation is a step towards a more mindful and peaceful life. Now, when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to adjust. Look around you. Notice any colors, any shapes, any movement. Feel the calm and tranquility within you. Carry this feeling with you as you go about your day. Remember, you can always return to this space of peace and calm whenever you need it. So, this brings us to the end of our daily meditation. I want to thank you for taking this time for yourself. It's not always easy to find a moment of peace in our busy lives, but it's incredibly important. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. Each session is a step on the path towards mindfulness and peace. Don't be discouraged if some days are harder than others. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. You're doing amazing work. Until next time, be present, be mindful, and be at peace.